In this video, I'll show you how to remove all images from a document at once in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. Before I start, I recommend saving a copy of your document in case you need the pictures again. Now, many of you may be thinking, Patrick, you could just press Ctrl+A and then press delete. And you're right, I could. But what if the document is also full of text, objects, and other items that you want to keep? If I press Ctrl+A, I'll delete everything. I just want to target the images. So in order to do this, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. And this will open up the Find and Replace window. From here, go into Find What, and you're going to type in the following, caret symbol, followed by a lowercase g. I'll put this in the description below so you can copy and paste it. In Replace With, leave this completely empty and make sure that Use Wildcards is off. You can navigate to it by clicking on this button here. So just make sure it's not ticked. Once you're satisfied, click Replace All. You will have noticed that the 7 images have now been removed. All done, we've made 7 replacements, as in they have been replaced with nothing. Click OK, then click the cross. However, this method only removes images that are positioned in line with text. For example, let me select this and select this option. In line with text has been selected. However, if I navigate to this image, click Layout Options, it's with text wrapping. So if I repeat the method before and do exactly the same, you'll notice it only made 6 replacements and that image stayed. In this case, we've got to remove this one manually. Click it once and press delete. If you're looking for an automatic method to remove all types of images, regardless of their text wrapping, then we've got to use something called a VBA macro. To do this, we need to enable the Developer tab. I've got a video on this in the comment section below. So in this case, I'm just going to click File, Options, navigate to Custom Ribbon, scroll down and select Developer, then click OK. Once you've enabled that, select Developer at the top of the ribbon, and we're going to click onto Macros. From here, I want you to select Create, and then inside this new window, remove the previous code. Then I want you to paste in the code. You can find it in the description below. And then you'll notice that this now says Remove All Pictures. This is the name of the macro. And if you want to run this macro, you simply press the Run button. I'm just going to save it first, so it's nice and saved, and then I'm going to click Cross at the top. From here, I want you to select Macros again. And you'll notice now that we have a macro here, Remove All Pictures. So now we want to run this macro. We simply select it, then click Run. And you'll have noticed that all those images, including the ones with text wrapping, have now been removed. If you want to turn that macro into a button that you can select and it will run, we can do this. Click File, then Options. Then go to Quick Access Toolbar. Then choose Commands from, select it once and click Macros. And you'll notice at the top it says normal.newMacros.remove all pictures. Select this once. Then click Add, and it should go over to this new column. Then click OK. To find it, we simply go to the top of the blue ribbon here, and there it is. If you hover your mouse over, it will say exactly what it is. So now if I select it, it will run that macro as it did before. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about editing pictures in Word, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.